What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how to make money with affiliate marketing for free. And literally guys, it's going to be super easy because I will be sharing with you everything that can really help you to start making $100 per day within just 30 days. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now, what are the things that I need to share with you so that you can really start making money within 30 days or less? So literally guys, let me just share with you what is affiliate marketing and how you can start it in the best possible way. Basically, affiliate marketing, in the affiliate marketing we are going to promote other people products for literally for a commission that could be 50%, 75% or even 100%, because they are going to make money on the upsells as well. So basically in the affiliate marketing, we are simply going to do something. We are going to simply drive the traffic from the social media, okay, from the social media to sending the traffic to a bridge page. And thereafter from the bridge page, we are going to send the traffic to a product page where we are going to cash in the money. And basically our main purpose and the end goal is the money. So what we are going to do, we are going to drive the traffic from the social media, we are going to build the trust relation. So we are going to make the most of the most number of the sales, not just 10 bucks here and there, a consistent passive income online. Okay, so literally guys, it's one of the best business I have ever done online, and literally you can start it with zero money. First of all, what are the two tools you need? Basically you need two tools. One is the kind of autoresponder to collect emails and send emails, and the second one is going to be kind of a what it is called landing page builder. But you can get all of the two tools in just one software, that is the GetResponse. That is what I use, and you can get a 30-day free trial. And within 30 days, if you are going to follow what I am going to teach you in the 100% free training, the link is in the description, then you can absolutely make $100 per day within just 30 days. Just go and check out that training. It's completely free, because there I will be teaching you everything step by step procedure. Okay, and after that you can yourself start making a lot more money. Okay, so basically what we are going to do, we are going to use the GetResponse. GetResponse is having a 30-day free trial. We are going to collect the emails, we are going to build a capture page in the GetResponse. So also you are going to get the GetResponse free trial in the description. Okay, so now over here we are going to drive the traffic from anywhere. That could be social media, and there are tons of ways. There are tons and tons of ways to drive the traffic. Okay, so we are going to drive the traffic. That could be YouTube, that could be Facebook. But the catch is this: we are not just going to drive that traffic saying, hey, buy my product, hey, buy my product, hey, check this out. This is not going to work. You are not even going to making even a single penny, even you are going to try this for 365 days. Okay, that's what the reality is. You need to give them value. First of all, the first thing that you can do is giving value. Basically, how you can give them value, I will share that in a minute as well. You can drive the traffic from the Instagram, and thereafter we are going to send the traffic to a capture page. That could be a capture page where you can give something for free, and if you do not want to give something for free, then that's okay. You can still build a capture page. For example, you can send there can be a capture page between the product, where this is a product, we are going to sell the product, and this is a social media. So in the between of both of these, we are going to put a capture page, a bridge page, where we are going to collect their email, so that we can really promote them anytime we want. We do not have to drive the traffic again and again, because if we are going to capture their email, they will be we can promote to them on their email anytime. Okay, so we can give them something for free. That is going to work very well. But if you do not want to give something for free, still you can capture the email as well. So now over here, here is the product, and here is the point where we are going to cash in the money. But literally, if you are going to send directly from here, means this chain is not going to work very well. But if you are providing value over here, for example, if you are doing a YouTube video, because people really know you, so then you are going to get higher conversion. But literally, it's not a good way. Okay, yeah, you should do that, because you are going to get some sales, but not that many sales. But the catch is this: the main profit is here. the main profit is here in the emails. The money is in the e-list. Okay, this is what you need to remember over here. So literally guys, now you have understood what is the business model. But the catch is this: a lot of people keep on asking me what is the best way to drive the traffic, and how can I drive the most amount of traffic, all these things. Literally guys, I will be sharing 2 traffic sources. Those are one of the best traffic sources, and if you want to know 4 free traffic sources, check out the link in the description, because there I will be teaching you 4 free traffic sources that really works insanely. Okay, that really works insanely. So now guys, what is the number one traffic source? No, not number one, but there are better traffic sources as well, but this is also one of the best traffic sources. So best traffic sources, one of the best traffic source is the Facebook. There is no doubt. Look at this. There are about 227,000 members. So if you can get just 50 to 100 people from this group, can you make $100 a day? Absolutely, you can make even much more money if you can get 50 to 100 people. And can you get 50 to 100 people from these 227,000 members? Absolutely, guys. There are thousands of groups. Let's say there are just 1,000 groups on the Facebook, and each of them are having a, you can say on an average, we are going to take the minimum amount, that is 1,000 members. Although the groups are having even 1 million members, 100,000 members, and lots and lots of members, but we are only going to take 1,000 members. So that's about 1 million member. And if you can just attract 2 to 4,000 people from there, you can make a full-time income from them. Okay, so literally it's going to be super easy. But how are you going to drive that traffic? We are going to give the value. We are going to help other people who want something. We are not going to just pitch the product. For example, if somebody is asking how can I lose weight, if you are in the weight loss niche, you can go to the weight loss groups and can join all of those groups, about 5 to 10 groups a day, and thereafter you can simply start answering the other people's question. Just keep on whenever they are asking anything, okay, just go over there and reply to them. That's what you need to do. When you are going to do that, people will see you as an authority, and they will come to you and ask you, what is the product that you are selling? Or on that time, instead of selling the product, but if they are asking in front of you what is the product, tell them about the product. But if they are not going to ask you product, tell them here's a freebie that I have created for you, just check this out, and then you are going to capture their email, and thereafter we are going to cash in the money over here. Okay, so now over here, as you can see, look at this, there are a lot of groups. Just join them and start doing them. Just be consistent for 30 days. You will see the difference yourself. You will see the difference, you guys, yourself after 30 days. Okay, and this is the one traffic source that I used to do, I still use, and it is also one of the best traffic source, guys. Okay, so now the second traffic source. But before the second traffic source, let me tell you, you cannot just keep on promoting every single day. If you are going to just keep on promoting every single day, nobody will buy. Your list will be dead. Okay, you need to give value. You can then pitch. Okay, you need to give value. You can then pitch. This is what you can do. You can follow any channel, but give value. Do not forget to give value, otherwise nobody is going to buy from you, because they have lots of options. There are other big marketers who are really providing a lot of value. Okay, so now guys, the second traffic source, it is the best traffic source. It is also one of the best traffic source. Basically, Quora. A lot of people understand, really they underestimate the Quora. Why? Just because the Quora is not that much people do not see it as a kind of a website from there they can drive traffic, but it is the best source. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to just search over there. For example, you can search over there how to train your dog. You're going to get tons and tons of look at this, there are tons and tons of questions people are asking. Just to go and start helping them, just give them answer, and in the end leave a link to your website, leave a link to your freebie offer. For example, if you are in a weight loss niche, if someone is asking how can I lose weight, just what you can do, literally just give them 10 tips. After giving them 10 tips, tell them if you want 5 more tips, 5 insane tips with which I have lost 1 kg weight within just 1 day, just check out this training. It's 100% free. So on that time you are going to capture their email, or on that time you can also link them to your product as well. So that is what the Quora is going to help you a lot. And also guys, these are just the these are the only 2 traffic sources, but I have shared the 4 traffic sources and in detail depth tutorial of the Facebook as well, step by step. The link is in the description, just check it out, and also let me know if you have any query. Okay, just keep on doing this for 30 days, you will start getting results. And also guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment box, and bye bye, tata for now. Okay.